Hi! Reese and I have been hard at work thinking of things that you can do as a family during the shelter in place. And today we came across this idea on Pinterest where you make butterflies out of pretzels, and we just thought it was so cute and so fun, and we think that kids of all ages will enjoy it and you'll have a good time as parents too, so you can join as a family and do this in the kitchen with supplies that you probably have on hand, and if you don't, you can get them the next time you're out at the grocery store or you place your grocery order. So the things that you will need are
some chocolate chips. Any type of chocolate chips will work.
We use chocolate chips. We also use butterscotch chips. You could use white chocolate. You can also use candy coating for this, chocolate candy coating.
And then you're gonna need like some sprinkles or something to decorate it with. We also used coconut.
Yeah, so sprinkles and coconut, and we happen to have a gazillion sprinkles on hand, but it's okay if you only have one kind of sprinkle. You can use whatever you have on hand.
And then, of course, pretzels.
And we got this great big bucket of pretzels from Costco, and so that's what we used, but any size pretzels will work, and you just put them together in a butterfly shape. So we'll show you how to do that, and we'll turn it over to what we did now. And here's our finished product. We're so excited with how they came out. Reese, pull yours up here on the camera. They came out so good. Now let's taste them and see how they taste. Mmm, delicious.